Hello everyone, this is Shamsunar Pagalapati, psychologist and ABA therapist and CBT practitioner. Today I want to discuss about what type of a psychological services provided by Pinnacle Blooms Network. Those are starting from the neurological, psychological, mental, personal and family, society, well-being, everyone's well-being. We will provide a different type of a psychological services. For example, if it is a boy starting from the small age, what the child needs? Child may needs educational counseling or educational guidance, and also if some people have a problem of anger, they need anger management techniques, and also they may need some type of a grief management techniques. Coming to the adolescent age, they need many psychological services like same thing, anger management, how to talk to others, managing themselves and managing others, and also they may prone to the many things outside because they have many friends and they have many contacts, prone to many things like drugs, cigarettes, like many bad habits, and they may need the de-addiction counseling we will provide, and also the parenting counseling, pre-parenting counseling, premarital counseling, marital counseling, after-marital counseling, family counseling, individual counseling related to any problems like sexual problems, it may be anger, it may be eating disorders, it may be education problems, career guidance, everything, every single aspect of a psychological well-being we will provide here in a Pinnacle Blooms Network. We have a team of psychologists, not a single. In each center we have a team of psychologists who are very hardworking and also very smart working and well trained. So we will provide every psychological aspect well-being to the society. If anything needed, please contact us. In upcoming videos, we will give you the clear idea about, maybe some of the therapists may understand what I said in a single grasping, but the layman, means a normal man, will not understand what I am saying. So that in upcoming videos, I'll give you the clear-cut idea about everything like in a layman's language. Thank you very much. All the best from Pinnacle Blooms Network.
Autism spectrum disorder, psychological problems are troubling approximately 80 crore people across the world. Could endanger your children's future too. Pinnacle Blooms Network is probably the only chain of child development rehabilitation therapy centers offering smart goals-based speech therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral therapy, psychological counseling for kids to be part of mainstream society and bring smiles into their families. Pinnacle's Miracle is 360-degree patented digital platform to bring technology for empowering kids with special needs. Pinnacle Blooms Network is special Edu Healthcare unit of Bharat Healthcare Private Limited, Government of India's prestigious Startup India awarded futuristic health tech organization. Largest team of proven therapists ready to work with your kid. Contact us today 9100 181 181 for free assessment.